Number one bully person si Mano. Dili ka undangan kung di ka mohilak, guys.
Hi guys, this is Kuys Dabs and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is Kuys Dabs and welcome back to my channel. In today's show, sasagutin natin guys ang mga tanong ng aking Kuys Dabs Angels kung sino ba talaga si Kuys Dabs. Pero what I did, I invited 3 vloggers that really knows me. One is from Dubai, one is from Australia, and one is from Cebu. So, itong tatlong ito guys, alam kong silang makakasagot kung sino si Kuys Dabs dahil nakakasama ko sila ng matagal when I was in Cebu. So, take a look at this.
Who is Kuys Dabs?
So, si Kuys Dabs,
Sungugan?
He's a very friendly. He's friendly, have a genuine heart, and the king of charity. The reason why I called him the king of charity is ang daming niyang natulungan na I'm one of them. Hindi lang siya, buong family niya natulungan nila ako na napag-aral ako ng aking high school days and college.
mga close friends or di na to matawag na friends kay tungod sa ka-close, i-treat me nila as family. So pag-abot na mo diri sa Cebu, mga way back 2001 siguro to, mga grade 2 ko sa Cebu. So nahog mi nila og gi-adapt mi nila. So sila mo yung nagsuporta na mo diri pag-abot na mo diri sa Cebu. Inga na sila kabuutan sa nga family guys, especially kay nila Sir Wilfred, sila Mami Donia.
Kuys Dabs, I know. Sungugan? Mahilig sa fly-fly? Mahilig magluto? Oh, they don't care about what people say. Kibar lang siya. Happy-go-lucky person. And also guys, kahit angat siya sa buhay, down to earth pa din siya. And alam niyo, na-shock ako nung una, and kasi I used to it na foreigner sila, nag-i-English sila, but nagbibisaya sila. Kaya yun.
Down to earth, talented, jolly, and alam mo yun, pag makita mo lang siya, for me, makikita mo lang siya na isang beses, parang I feel comfortable and I feel like hindi siya mabigat sa dibdib. Kasi may mga tao, una mo lang kita, parang mabigat sa dibdib. Pero siya, parang first ko palang nakita siya na, hi, ginano niya ako dun sa bahay nila that time. Parang
And unsa ko masulti ni Kuys Dabs. So kana sila guys, si Kuys Dabs guys ug ang iyang family, supportive kayo na sila sa church, sa mga bata o sa mga basta supportive ka na sila guys sa mga about ana nga mga butang guys. So mutabang na sila, mo sponsor na sila sa mga program sa church, inga na sila kabuutan ng ilang family.
Close ako sa kanila. And pero guys, what I know, Miss Manoy, I call Manoy Kuys Dabs. And mostly all young kids in their area or at church, we call Manoy. I miss Manoy about sa iyang kasungugan. Guys, number one bully person si Manoy. Dili ka undangan kung di ka mahilak, guys. Mahilig siya sungog all the time. But he's a loving Manoy. Sungog with love. Not like sungog like really hurt your feelings.
Parang hindi ka mailang na, yes, friendly, down to earth, generous, helpful, very talented, most especially in singing. Grabe, ang galing niyang kumanta. Isa pa masabi ko sa kanya ay Di bali na maubusan siya, maibigay lang niya ang gusto niyang ibigay sa kapwa or kung sino man ang gusto niyang matulungan. Hindi lang naman siya, buong family niya. Kuys Dabs, he's one of my friend, more than friend, like he's my brother. And yun, ganun talaga siya. So guys, huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe. Let's give full support on his channel kasi nga, for sure guys, kung ma-monetize man siya, hindi lang, kasi hindi yan ginagawa yung channel for sa sarili niya, ginagawa niya yan kasi pag, diba, kung papunta naman talaga, kung kikita siya, ang dami niyang matulungan, or ang daming, alam mo yun, ang daming magkaroon ng blessings from him.
How did you know Kuys Dabs? I know Kuys Dabs in church. My aunties live near in their house. I just only walking distance. I think 5 minutes from my auntie's place. Then sa kanila. At saka may church kasi sila na katabi ng bahay nila. Doon kami nag-church sa kanila. At saka active siya sa church. And kaya interested to know that person. He's a really jolly person and really friendly and really sungugan. We love sungog. That's number one of Manoy. I always remember about Manoy sa iyang pagkasungugan. Kaya ano lang to, partial lang to about kay Manoy kang Kuys Dabs. If you know more, just let me know. I'm gonna explain you.
So next is how did you know Kuys Dabs? Maulig ito. Pag-abot na mo dito sa Cebu. So nakasimba mi sa ilang simbahan. Ilang mo kong simbahan guys dool ra sa ilang balay. So pag simba na mo dito siguro may nakaila akong papa. So sa una dito pud sila ga work. So mo na nagkaila mi nila. So please guys support Kuys Dabs sa pag-angat niya karon sa YouTube ug sa Facebook page niya guys. So support Kuys Dabs.
Yun. And huwag niyo rin kalimutan ang aking channel, ang Roberto Vlog. And thank you so much, Kuys Dabs, for inviting me to be one of your guests for these collaborations. Thank you so much. This is a very nice idea, actually. So guys, ayan. So yun lang ang masabi ko kay Kuys Dabs. Thank you so much for all these supporters and shout out sa lahat. Thank you. God bless.
Okay guys, thank you for watching Filipino Vlogs here. Bye and God bless.
So support Kuys Dabs and God bless us all. Thank you Manuel.
Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you now know who Kuys Dabs is. And if you have watched this far, your life will be blessed 10-fold. And don't forget to subscribe, click, and share. And until the next vlog, thank you. Bye.